So I'm busy attaching the pockets now to these to the front of these medium jackets. Uh, yeah, today is a beautiful day. It's we're moving into autumn now. Um, it's nice and clear, and the skies are blue. So yeah, I finished cutting all of the jackets. And well, 20 of the mediums, the 20 medium sizes. So now I'm just more. The pockets take a little bit longer because the method that I'm using is not the fastest method to attach them. But I'm not in a rush with these jackets. It's just my the way that I'm doing it now is I'm doing all 20. I'm just spinning them. Then I'm just going to sit there in front of the machines when I finished here and just sew them all up. Not only the pockets, all the other stuff as well, because there's no real any other pinning here that needs to be done. It's just sitting in front of machines and finishing these ones. They go very fast. I haven't worked on them for a short while now because I had other things to do as well. But yeah, so it's now just to sew up the pockets, and all the other stuff is going to happen in front, mostly of the overlocker now, and then some top stitching. So these ones are fine. So yeah, so for now the few videos that will come now will just be centering around the finishing of these jackets. I did post the process on the YouTube channel that I'm following, more or less. So yeah, so we'll see. Okay.